Welcome to this video where I'll be discussing the difference between microgreens and sprouts. Microgreens are young vegetable greens that are harvested when they are very young. Typically these greens are only a couple of inches tall and have the first set of leaves, called cotyledons. They are packed with flavor and nutrients, making them very popular among chefs and health enthusiasts. Sprouts are germinated seeds that are eaten before the plant grows to be a full mature plant. They are harvested 2 to 7 days after germination and commonly eaten for their nutritional value. Most popular sprouts are alfalfa, broccoli, radish, and clover. Growing microgreens is an easy process. You only need seeds, soil, or a growing medium, water and light. Start by filling the container with the growing medium up to 1 inch below the rim. Add seeds on top of the growing medium and water thoroughly. Place the container near a sunny window for 2 to 3 weeks, then harvest the greens when they are ready to eat. Growing sprouts is even simpler than microgreens as they don't require soil or special equipment. All you need is a jar, a sprouting lid or mesh, and the seeds. Simply soak the seeds overnight, drain them next morning and rinse them twice daily until they are ready to eat. That's it. In conclusion, microgreens and sprouts can be a great addition to a healthy diet and can boost your nutritional intake significantly. Although both share some similarities, there are also some key differences between them. So, choose the ones that suit your palate and lifestyle, and enjoy their health benefits.